All right, first when repairing your Air Innovation stand fan, make sure you always unplug your fan. Very important with any electronic device. So when you take apart your fan, the Air Innovation stand fan, you just twist that off. Now normally you just take the center screw out. However, if you've taken these 4 screws out here, you may have some issues getting it back together. So let's do that. So now that I've got all these screws out, I'm going to pull this fan blade off. We accidentally pulled it off, and oh no, we lost springs and we lost ball bearings. What you'll notice is this came off right like this. When you look at this plate comes off. So take that off and set that aside. Now what you want to do is put this right back in place like that. Because these grooves right here are where the springs and the ball bearings go. We take our ball bearing, we slide it in that hole right there in the slot. Spring goes right behind it, just like this. You push it in, push it behind it, and set it in that slot. Now you find your other ball bearing, and you put that one in. All you have to do again, this is going to be a little trickier because it's up on top. Yours may be seated in an easier position. But push the ball all the way up in there, put the spring in behind it, and set that spring down into that groove just like that. Now the ball bearing is up here, spring down here, ball bearing right here, spring here. That's simple. Now as you put your faceplate back on, all you have to do, you find out where the holes line up, line them all up nice and evenly. It actually kind of locks in place there, so it'll be fairly simple. Put the screws back in. All 4 back in, center one back in case you took that one out, and you just twist the cap back on, and you're done. That's all you need to do.